Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So according to a previous video I posted back in October of this year, in Firefox, Mozilla had cut the power consumed by Firefox when watching YouTube videos, in some cases by 25%, because there's been a lot of reports over the last couple of months that YouTube is not behaving itself and is quite slow and is causing problems on Firefox. Now, I'll leave that video down below if you would be interested. But just to let you know that there are also now several reports doing the rounds online that are suggesting that Firefox is actually made to load YouTube videos slower. And this is something apparently that's been built into the code of Firefox. And this is why a lot of users are experiencing the issue where videos could take up to 5 seconds. So there could be a 5-second delay when loading a YouTube video and opening up a YouTube video in Firefox. Now, as mentioned, apparently this is according to a Redditor, PaintBooth1234 over on Reddit. He did a bit of fiddling around and says that it's actually built into the code of Firefox, that it's designed to load YouTube videos for whatever reason a lot slower than other browsers. Now, if I head over to Google Chrome as an example, and I'm going to load YouTube, so that's how quick it takes in my Chrome browser. And I'm just going to click on a video, and that's opening that up now in Google Chrome. That was almost instantaneous. Now, if I head over to Firefox, let's load YouTube. A little bit slower than Google Chrome, I would say. And if we head to the same video, maybe a second slower than Google Chrome. So I'm not getting the 5-second delay, but that's just a quick test on my system. Obviously, this could depend on your hardware and your internet connection, but nonetheless, just bringing that to your attention. And according to reports, though, this issue does not occur when videos are taking 5 seconds to load on Firefox if you are using an ad blocker like uBlock Origin as an example, which obviously cuts out that 5-second delay and loads the video instantaneously. Now, just on a side note, I have posted a video basically about a year ago on how to fix YouTube playback issues in Mozilla Firefox. And I'll leave that video down below if you have experienced any issues. It's helped out quite a lot of folks. So if you have experienced any playback issues in Mozilla Firefox with YouTube, maybe some of the tips I give you in that video would be of use and of benefit. But nonetheless, if anything more does become available while this 5-second delay is in the code of Firefox, obviously I will post and let you know. But just bringing it to your attention, this could be a possible reason why a lot of you, because I have seen a lot of comments on this channel, are experiencing issues while playing YouTube videos in Firefox. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.